Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an agent terminated due to an error in Antigravity. First, close Antigravity completely. Now restart the game launcher or platform such as Steam, Epic, etc. After that, launch the game again. Then open your game launcher e.g. Steam. Following that, go to the library. Now select the Antigravity and choose Property. Here, select Local Files and reach the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification and repair any corrupted files. Following that, update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers to the latest version. Next, restart your PC after the update. Some overlays can cause agent errors such as Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay. After that, disable them in their respective settings. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to see if it's blocking the game. Following that, add Antigravity.exe as an exception in your antivirus or firewall. Now, right-click Antigravity.exe. Then select Run as Administrator. Lastly, confirm and launch the game. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.